kubanza winninga emipiira ebiri omu kibinja kumala nk'emyaka twamala emyaka nk'ikumi tutakuruga mu kibinja so twizire na aimu yo kugira ngu tusinge emizaano y'eshatu ekubanza nanga n'ogwakana nabwo tugusinge turabeho nk'abakulembere gurupu then kugira tukwate tiimu second runners omu gurupu endijo ibaraza kutuheereza so nka tiimu nka brigade na nshinga munonga akuba bingi ibiri first time yabo kuja Mbarara so nibereke kisani kirungi ka military police FC binje bakumanya ka military no manyi 20 kuma discipline so na no mupira kama turi kugamba by example we read.
The next game I'm aiming this same lineup which I'll put today. That's what I'm going to use for the next game against FFC, and I'm going to tell these guys they are going to perform with as we did this. So the Harley goal is the better. That's what always I tell them, and they should be listen to the coach which is outside. Any command, any advice from other players, other supporters, which is not your coach, you can listen, you pack in your brain, but you don't use it because the coach has not tell you do this and this. Okay, so I hope we are going to do something against FFC. That's what I can say. Our game is not bad, but only that we are losing team spirit. I